we signed that time spoke of integrated border management. We didn't get there. We'll shortly be discussing on where we are. That is coordinated border management. Then, of course, the second one was the police human resource management. You are seeing what's happening with the police. There's a lot of reforms in human resource. You're better placed on that. Maraka report basically speaks to that and many other reforms that we have in the police force. Actually, merging the APS and KPS and having an inspector general, managing the two outfits was basically about police human resource management. Then, of course, the third one was the administration of justice. Yes, and the ODPP. I want to believe that we must have had an officer from ODPP maybe speaking to you. If not so, maybe in the next 5 days, in the next, is it 2 more weeks you're still remaining with? Is likely to speak to you. Who is the secretary to the National Security Council? Dan? Fatuma? Okay. I have some homework to do. Then the National Security Council Committee.